What if the technology you're building learns to build itself? AI can now write code, train models, and even improve its own performance. So here's the question. Are machine learning engineers training their own replacements? Machine learning engineers design, build, and deploy AI systems. They create algorithms, manage data pipelines, and ensure models work in real-world applications. Without them, modern AI wouldn't exist. AI is now automating parts of machine learning itself. Tools from companies like OpenAI and Google can generate code, suggest models, and optimize performance. What once required deep expertise is becoming more accessible. AutoML tools can automatically select algorithms, tune parameters, and train models. AI coding assistants can even write complex machine learning code. AI excels at speed, optimization, and automation. It can test thousands of models, find the best one, and improve performance faster than humans. It also reduces the time needed to develop AI systems. But AI has limitations. It doesn't truly understand the problem it's solving. It relies on data and predefined goals, and can fail when things get complex or unexpected. There have been cases where AI models performed well in testing, but failed in real-world scenarios. Without proper oversight, these failures can have serious consequences. Machine learning engineers bring deep understanding and creativity. They design systems, debug issues, and ensure models are reliable and ethical. They don't just build AI, they guide it. The future isn't AI replacing engineers, it's collaboration. AI will handle repetitive tasks like tuning models and writing boilerplate code. Engineers will focus on innovation, system design, and complex problem solving. AI can build models, but it doesn't truly understand them. Machine learning engineering is about more than automation. It's about intelligence, creativity, and control. So the real question is, will engineers evolve with AI, or be replaced by it? Watch out for our exciting episode on 5 AI skills machine learning engineers must acquire in 2026 to shock-proof their career against AI. Subscribe for more videos on AI and the future of work. This Infinity AI TV. Infinite stories. Infinite imagination. Subscribe for more news.